Yo, what up, guys? So today, I know it's been a while since I posted a video, um, but today we're actually taking my MF8s to have the tires unmounted. I'm actually taking them out to Chula Vista. Got a guy down in San Diego that actually does refinishing and fixes curb rash. The MF8s that I had bought a few months back had a little bit of slight curb rash, and I want to repowder coat our wheels. And so the game plan is, take off the tires, take these wheels down to San Diego, and get them redone. But before we actually go through the whole process, I want to show you guys the new 2020 Honda Civic hatchback. So this is the new 2020 Honda Civic hatchback. This is a sport touring. It's not my car; it's my girlfriend's car actually. But I'm kind of happy that she actually bought a Honda. This car is dope. Obviously it does have a hatchback, like the older model. Leather seats, has a Bose sound system. Don't mind everything. I'm trying to get these wheels in the back seat so I can take them to the shop. It's paddle shifters. It has this big old screen right here compared to my screen in my Lexus. It's a pretty nice touch screen. Has Apple CarPlay, all the different modes. Like I said, paddle shifters. It is a 1.5 liter turbo, which I thought was pretty sick. Where's this button at? And here's the motor. 1.5 liter turbo. That's pretty good on gas. I mean, I don't drive it every day, but it seems like it's a pretty nice car. Color's amazing. I love this color. I've always liked this. It always reminds me of Frank from Downstar when he painted his EG this color. But overall, the car's a great car. Actually, it has all the space for 5 grown adults, and we're putting these bad boys up in there. Their tires, they're really good prices. Well, locally owned, small business. And these wheels are about to get unmounted. And girlfriend's car barely had a few months and already has a screw in the tire. But yeah, this car's sick. And we're just waiting for them to just fix the back right tire and then get these bad boys unmounted. Alright, so we're all done. They literally did this, all the tires and fixed the patch within not even like 15-20 minutes. It was really quick. And I only paid about 60 bucks just to unmount 4 tires with valve stems and fix the tire patch. Like I said, MC Tires is located here in Vista off Melrose and Olive. If a lot of you guys in North County are familiar with the area, if you guys need to get tires at a decent price, need to get a tire patched, or whatever, it's a good spot to come by. The owners are really nice people, really good about making sure getting your tire fixed and getting you back on the road safely. But yeah, we're gonna go home. I gotta drop these tires off and shower up and head over to Chula Vista, our next destination. So yeah, it's gonna be a long day.
What's good, man? So my name is Lee. My Instagram is trimmerboy86. I do some wheel work on the side after work. Like these ones came in for some repairs, some bends, reseal, probably fill in with weld. And his other set, some replacement parts, lips and barrels. Do refinishing, re-drills, regular 3-piece wheels, conversions, and you know, pretty much I try to do everything anything related to wheels. You know, so damages, refinish, widening, custom stuff. So it all depends, you know, what people want. So, but that's about it, man. You know.
Cool. So here's another set of some C28s. What size are these?
19.
19s.
Originally 16, then stepped up to 19.
Look at that. That combo with the red's pretty dope. And then T37s. All right, so we got the wheels dropped off with the Chamorro Boy. I'll tag his IG in the video and on our Instagram page. Like I said, he does really good quality work. I mean, his Instagram, he does really legit work. He's done repairs for my boys and custom wheels for my buddies with their VIP cars. And the time that we were here, we had 2 other guys come drop off the wheels, so he's really busy with the amount of work that he does. He has a heavy workload, and he still works full time. But yeah, he's located in Chula Vista, and I'll tag his IG so you guys can check it out. And then we're gonna post video for more. And once we get the wheels redone, you guys are gonna like it. These MF8s are gonna come out dope. All right, man. See you guys later. You guys have a good weekend. Be safe. Talk to you later. Peace.